Hi guys, my name is Rakshan. Welcome to my channel. So if you're seeing this face for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's start with the video. So today I created this glam makeup look perfect for festivals or weddings. I know in this pandemic we can't go outside to celebrate our festivals as we used to do earlier, but the least we can do to brighten up my mood is to get ready and click some pictures and post it on our social media accounts. Because talking about me, I'm that kind of a person. If I'm feeling low, I just get up and get ready and just click some pictures and post it on my feed. So right now we can also do the same thing. So without wasting any further time, if you want to lighten up your mood by getting ready, for primer I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 312 Golden. Going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. Going to blend it too with a damp beauty blender. Using this MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and I'm going to set my face. Taking this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, and I'm going to take this light brown shade, place it above my crease line and going to blend it. Now taking this Makeup Revolution Carnival palette and going to take this dark blue eyeshadow and going to place it on my outer corners and on my crease line. Taking this pinkish glitter eyeshadow, going to place it on my eyelids. I'm going to blend the both shades with the transition shade. I'm taking this Maybelline Hyper Ink Glitter eyeshadow in the shade Golden and going to draw a wink eyeliner. This Faces Canada Magnetic Kajal in shade Black, and I'm going to do my upper waterline. Now taking a nude eye pencil and I'm going to do my lower lash line. Now with the blue eyeshadow, I'm going to do half of my lower lash line and the remaining half with the pink glitter eyeshadow. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Bronzer, I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches. Blush, I'm using the Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Coral Craving. For highlighter, I'm using the Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter in the shade Moonshine 03. Lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Power Mattes in the shade Raw Coca. And to top it up with the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. I'm going to fix my makeup with the Faces Canada Makeup Fixer. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with some another videos. Till then, take care. Bye.